Hello, in front of me I've got REALME C53. In this video I'll show you how to connect Pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your Pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now, go to Files, enter Browse, and if your Pendrive is not available right here, go to Settings, search for OTG, and enable OTG Connection. Now, again enter Files, and your Pendrive is now available on the bottom of the list. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.